For 2026, Aprilia sharpens its already formidable weapon, the Tuono V for factory, transforming it into one of the most sophisticated and ferocious naked bikes on the planet. Built for riders who demand superbike performance without the full fairing compromise, the new Tuono V for factory remains a machine that doesn't just dominate the street fighter category, it defines it. At the heart of the beast sits Aprilia's iconic 1077 cubic centimeters V4 engine, a powerplant celebrated for its intoxicating soundtrack and relentless mid-range punch. For 2026, Aprilia fine-tunes the fueling and electronics, giving riders smoother roll-on power and even sharper throttle precision. The result is a street fighter that surges forward with brutal immediacy yet maintains the refined manners of a machine engineered by a brand with deep racing heritage. The Tuono V for factory's chassis continues to be one of its biggest selling points. Aprilia retains the legendary aluminum dual-beam frame, offering superb stiffness and road feedback that feels almost telepathic. The factory edition takes things even further with top-shelf Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension, allowing riders to switch from plush street comfort to razor-sharp track performance at the push of a button. Brembo Stylema calipers anchor the front wheel with race-level stopping power, ensuring confidence at any pace. A visual standout for 2026, the Tuono V for factory embraces its aggressive DNA with sharper winglets, air-channeling bodywork, and a revised tail section. The lines are cleaner, leaner, and unmistakably Italian, effortlessly blending beauty with aerodynamic function. Carbon fiber accents reinforce its premium status, while the factory-exclusive color schemes give the bike an unmistakable presence whether parked or flying down the straights. The cockpit sees subtle but impactful updates. Aprilia equips the 2026 model with an upgraded high-contrast TFT display and refined controls, making adjustments to the extensive APRC electronics suite more intuitive. Riders have access to customizable maps, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking settings, and cornering ABS, making the Tuono V for factory one of the most technologically advanced naked bikes ever built. Every detail of the 2026 Aprilia Tuono V for factory reinforces its purpose to deliver superbike performance in its purest, most unfiltered form. It's raw yet refined, savage yet intelligent, an apex predator engineered for riders who crave speed, precision, and the unmistakable thrill of an Italian V4 at full song. In a world filled with increasingly cushioned, softened motorcycles, the Tuono V for factory remains gloriously unapologetic.